Hello, welcome again. We are covering GATE Aerospace Engineering syllabus. Section 1 is Engineering Mathematics and topic is calculus. And in this subtopic is mean value theorem. So the statement of mean value theorem is if apex is continuous in closed interval large bracket a comma b, so comma b, then f dash x exists in the open interval small bracket a comma b, then there is at least one value of c of x in a comma b such that fb minus fa divided by b minus a will be equal to f dash c. So to understand this definition, suppose we have a function fx which is in the closed interval a and b. So this is a and b. So this is a continuous function. Okay. So then its differentiation will exist in between a and b. Okay. This means a is also included. This limit is b is also included. This means in between a and b. Okay. Open interval means in between a and b, and closed interval means this a and b are also included. Then f dash x will exist. Okay. So and there will be at least one value of x is equal to c such that fb minus fa value of function at this point and value of function at this point, their difference divided by b minus a will be equal to f dash x is equal to c. Okay. So this is the point. So this is the statement of mean value theorem. Now we will solve one example for this. Example is in the mean value theorem fb minus fa is equal to b minus a f dash c. Determine c laying between a and b if fx is equal to x minus 1 within bracket x minus 2 within bracket. A is equal to 0, b is equal to 1 by 2. So now this formula is same formula. Okay, fb minus fa b minus a comes here, then become fb minus fa is equal to b minus a f dash c. Okay. So now we have to determine the value of c, and the function is this. Okay, and a is 0, b is 1 by 2. So what we will do, we will find out fa. We put a is equal to 0, then this will be 0, and if we put b is equal to 1 by 2, then this will be 3 by 8, and if we solve it, fx will be your x cube minus 3x square plus 2x, and f dash x differentiation will be 3x square minus 6x plus 2, and if we put x equal to c, then it will be 3 square minus 6c plus 2. So now we have all the values fa, fb for this formula. B and a, b is your 1 by 2, a is 0, and f dash is this. So we can solve it for c. So c comes out as 1.764 or 0.236. So as 0.236 is lying in between 0 and 1 by 2, so answer is yes, 0.2.